Make your weekend extra special with this quick and delicious Oreo lava cake. It's super easy to make and perfect to enjoy with your family because weekends deserve something sweet, right? Start by taking one big packet that's about 120 grams of Oreo biscuits. Grind them into a fine powder in a mixer. Now add 1/3 cup of milk and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Grind it again into a smooth, thick paste. Take a ceramic cup and pour some of the batter in. Now comes the best part, place a piece of dark or milk chocolate. Then cover it with more Oreo mix. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 5 minutes or just pop it in the microwave for 90 seconds. And that's it! Your yummy chocolatey Oreo lava cake is ready to serve hot. Share it with your family or enjoy it all by yourself. Either way, it's going to make your weekend a whole lot sweeter. If you like this video, then do like, comment and share this video with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe to Times Foodie.